Welcome to Golden City, a residential township nestled in the heart of a vibrant, fast-growing future. Located just minutes from the upcoming Jewar Airport, Golden City offers unparalleled connectivity and convenience. Your journey home begins here, where dreams take flight. Step into a world of grandeur. The iconic Golden Gate welcomes you into a township designed to elevate every moment of your life. The wide landscaped entrance, lined with lush greenery and intricate design, sets the stage for what lies beyond. Golden City brings the best of urban living right to your doorstep. Stroll through our vibrant high street shopping district, offering world-class brands, fine dining, and lively spaces for family gatherings. At the heart of it all is our grand fountain, a masterpiece of elegance and tranquility. Reconnect with nature in our meticulously designed landscaped gardens. And for a touch of adventure, enjoy the serene waterside experience at our pond with waterfront development. Perfect for boating, quiet moments, or simply soaking in the beauty of your surroundings. Our signature European-style villas redefine luxury living. With timeless architecture, state-of-the-art interiors, and panoramic views, these homes are designed to provide both comfort and elegance. Surrounded by pedestrian and cycling paths, they seamlessly blend beauty with functionality. Golden City is where wellness meets recreation. Our clubhouse boasts a sparkling swimming pool, indoor sports facilities, and outdoor courts for tennis, basketball, and more, catering to your active and social lifestyle. Golden City, where every moment shines with possibility. Your perfect home awaits.